Welcome to Procad. Today I will demonstrate fully auto star delta starter. We will first do the power connection. It does this by first connecting the motor's windings in a star configuration, which reduces the starting current. Once the motor reaches a safe speed, the starter automatically switches the windings to a delta configuration, which increases the motor's torque. In control circuit we have used 3 contactor and auxiliary contactor. Here delta contactor is having one normally closed contact. Both emergency stop and panel stop button is normally closed switch. Start button is normally open switch. Here trip indication is amber, stop indication green and run indication is red in color. To do the operation correctly we need to connect circuit like this. Here timer is used is on delay timer. We have set 3-second delay. First switch on the main and control MCB. At first green indication will glow. Now run the motor by pressing start button. First motor run in star mode. After 3-second delay contactor will change star to delta mode. Overload relay is used for protect the motor. This time amber indication will glow. E-stop is given to stop the motor emergency condition. Our project is running successfully. Like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching Procad.